Much more bigger, Arena. Emperor penguins are much more bigger.
King penguin. King penguin.
Really?
King penguin.
So what's the difference between emperors? Ah,
王様だよ。王様ペンギンだよこれ。
I thought the emperor penguins were bigger. I told you.
Even though I did my hand, he didn't care. But as soon as I took out my
That's what I
sunglasses,
said.
hey, look,
I wanted to know. Those are the
He
emperor
likes-
one.
Which one? Guy that have yellow necks. That could be.
This one is?
And the guy that have.
Thank you for checking, Luba. Let's go. Nani? Isha. Oh, look at them. Look at them. You need to look at them from the top.
Daddy, this is the emperor penguin.
Yeah.
Oh, Adeli penguin. Oh yeah. His eyes are so big. Adeli penguin. And where's the Gensu penguin? Oh, that's good. Oh, that's a Gensu penguin? Yeah, that's good. No big. No big. He has some kind of big on his. Yeah. Hello.
That's to
Osama
identify them.
penguin.
That's to identify them.
Daddy, are Osama penguin then?
Emperor penguins.
Emperor penguins, are they dangerous?
King penguin. That's what they call.
Really? Not emperor?
Daddy, they're barely using their feet. Why are they not using
So they don't have emperors.
Daddy, what? Are they dangerous?
Geese?
Because they don't know how to walk properly, you know?
Penguins?
Yeah.